Hello, this is Scott. So welcome, and today we're going to be talking about Spotfire Data Science. So I've got multiple series going on R, Spotfire Data Science, Statistica, Python, and others. This one specifically is on Spotfire Data Science, that's SDS51. So I'm going to make this brief, but we're going to talk about workflow and artifact versioning. So we're going to go straight to it. I've got a workflow open right here. Pretty simple machine learning workflow. But for versioning, if I go under actions and I go to the flow history, I can see every version that was created within Spotfire Data Science. And in fact, you can see the last thing that I did here, this is a generated comment, is that I reverted back to version 2. So I can simply replace the current with itself, or as part of that flow history, I can, if I click on another version, let's suppose this version, and I say replace current, what's going to happen is it's going to replace the current version with an older version. Or I could create even a new version, right? So I could say replace version with itself. That's replacing itself, and I can do that. The other thing that I could do as well is if I wanted to download, I have an option to download the full series, which I just did create a .afm file as well. So that's basically versioning for workflows themselves. Now, let's look at versioning objects. So right here, I have a SQL artifact, and when you just have one version, it's pretty, you won't necessarily see this, but if you have multiple versions, if you go up into this right upper hand, you can see the different versions that I have created here as well, right? Where I started and the different dates and times there. And this can be done to any artifact within a workflow. And how do I get these different versions is I can basically do a save as, right? So I can replace the current version, or I could save it as a new version. So if I could save as a new version, and I could say, you know, whatever reason for this change was, illustration of versioning. Oops. And save new version. And then now I've got a new version up here. So anyway, all this is stored as metadata within the platform and can be accessed. So that's a very simple video on versioning, and I hope you will join me next time.